This is Ryan Neal from the USA office of Cowboy Sewing Machines, and here we're going to be demonstrating our CB3500. This is a short arm sewing machine that's designed for sewing knife sheaths and gun holsters very well. It's basically a shorter arm version of our CB4500 sewing machine. The CB3500 is a compound feed walking foot lock stitch machine. It does have a full reverse available. Right now we have the fabric presser foot set on the machine. However, if you do decide to purchase the machine for sewing leather, it will be equipped with our double toe harness maker's foot set. And so that's a much more smaller compact foot set that's used for sewing leather. The machine again does have a fully operational reverse mechanism. It has a hand presser foot lifter and also a foot presser foot lifter mechanism. The machine, the presser foot lifter, will pick up to approximately 23 millimeters, which is around 7/8 of an inch. The machine shares the same hook and bobbin as other very popular heavy-duty compound feed sewing machines, and it utilizes a 794 needle system, which is very common amongst heavy-duty compound feed sewing machines. So we'll do a little bit of a demonstration video on this machine just to give you an idea how things work. We're sewing through 2 layers of 15-ounce harness leather, skirting leather, 2 layers of probably 12 to 15-ounce skirting leather. This is relatively heavy leather. And right now we have the variable speed servo motor set to run on the slowest speed. And now we're going to go ahead and put the machine in reverse and back stitch a few stitches. And you can see that it matches the stitch hole for hole. We've got a fairly large stitch length set up here, around 4 stitches to the inch or thereabouts. And so that'll give you a rough idea about what the stitch looks like when sewing through 2 pieces of 15-ounce harness leather, skirting leather. Front or back side of the stitch, front side of the stitch. And so now we'll shorten up on our stitch length just a little bit, make a little bit smaller stitch. And I'm also going to increase the motor speed slightly. And we'll go around a quick turn here. And again in reverse. And so this gives you an idea what the machine's capable of as far as stitching. So again, this is a demonstration of our Cowboy CB3500 heavy-duty compound feed leather sewing machine. If you have any additional questions about this machine, please feel free to contact us at our USA office. My email address is neilre@comcast.net, or you can reach us at 330-692-1418. Thank you.